This is the programmer Al, and in this video I'm going to walk through an Edabit Python challenge called mini operators. And basically they just want you to perform basic calculations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and also using the modulo operator. And that's basically, it'll divide a number by a certain number, and whatever's left over, the remainder, is the answer. That's what the modulo is for. And we're lucky this time that we don't have to make any special considerations for dividing by 0, because then that would affect our code a little bit. And if we go in the tests, we see that none of the second numbers are 0, and so they were right. We won't have to worry about any bad code resulting from having a number divided by 0. So basically this one's just a whole bunch of typing. So they give us the name of the function and the arguments it takes, num1, num2, and operator. So basically we have to write some code for each instance of an operator. So if operator equals plus, we want to add num1 plus num2, and I'm going to copy and paste just because I think it'll be quicker in the long run. And this time I'm going to put else if. So instead of adding, I'm going to minus or subtract. So, okay, so that covers subtraction. Then we'll do multiplication, and then division, and then the last one, oh my goodness, the last one is the modulo operator. And so this time I'm just going to write else. Oh, I don't know if you noticed what I did wrong here, but I forgot to put return. Return is very helpful because otherwise the code will not do what you want to do. So that was a simple fix, is just to return. And a lot of times I feel like the errors we make are just simple ones like that. I can't tell you how many times in class, like, I just need somebody else to look at the code for a moment, and it's like, oh, you forgot the semicolon or the colon or a parenthesis or something, or you misspelled a variable. I mean, it's always little stuff that gets you in the end. So try not to sweat the small stuff. Just try to proofread as best as you can your own code, because a lot of times it's something very small, something very minor, like forgetting a code word like return. So now I think I've gotten all the different instances there are that are going to be tested. So let's check that and see if my little makeshift Python calculator worked, and it did. So that is how you do the mini operators challenge in Edabit.